News break coming in right now. NDA 3.0 proposal has been accessed. We're going to give you the details of that. Now, the NDA 3.0 proposal basically to stake claim, viewers. They've asked for time. The President House is going to give them time. We're going to try and get in what the details are of the proposal. Each of the allies of the NDA has signed in on it. Number one, what you can take is that it will be under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. So it might be the NDA Sarkar, but it's Modi 3.0 that we're looking at. And each of the NDA allies have signed in on that proposal, resolution that you see on your television screen, accessed by India Today. That's the latest news break that is coming in right now. This resolution signed by all the allies of the NDA and mooting the fact that one should not wait for any elbow room, any conspiracy theories, is one of now the key allies on which is dependent the BJP, JDU. And Nitish Kumar says that they should move immediately to stake claim. They're waiting right now for time to be given by the President's House. There's also a dinner where the Prime Minister today will take the final curtain call of his cabinet 2.0, Modi 2.0. There's a dinner today and, the Prime Minister is hosting it. And after that, staking claim to the new government where the President is concerned, waiting for word from the President's House. Aishwarya is joining us. Aishwarya, we've accessed the proposal. Other than the fact that it would be under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi that the NDA is looking to stake claim, what more can you add?
Well, Preeti, one of the things that this Prastav makes it very clear is the fact that they are all on the same page. There are certain things which are out. The first thing is that they want Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be heading the government. Second thing, they believe that the kind of development work that has happened over the past 1 decade, over the past 10 years, the same kind of development work needs to continue in years to come. They are also saying that we will all work for the welfare of the people, and all these things need to start working as soon as possible. Let me tell you, inside the meeting, Prime Minister began by congratulating each and everyone, and he also said that the kind of groundwork that we have laid over the past 10 years, the kind of welfare scheme that we have come up with, all those schemes we'll have to make sure that some form or the other the schemes continue. We need to work for the women of the country. We need to work for the benefit of the youth. All those things have been spelled out very clearly. The most important takeaway is that all the allies are now saying that we will form the government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be at the helm of the government, and the kind of development work that has taken place over the past 10 years, the same kind of work. We'll see different schemes, of course, different forms of development work, and they're also seeing for the first time in the last 6 decades, we are now seeing, a third formation of the government. So this is something that they all believe will be good, and Prime Minister has been chosen as the leader for the new government that will be formed very soon.
Right, Aishwarya, with that and the proposal that has been accessed, signed in by all the allies under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the NDA looking to stake claim, leaving no time for any conspiracy theories or any political maneuvering or manipulation. And with that, we're going to head it into a quick break. When we return, we're going to get you more on what's really going on inside the residence of the party president of Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge, India Alliance meeting. And there seems to be very clear 2 points of views. One of them suggesting that the India Alliance should go for the kill, look to stake claim. The other one saying sit back in the opposition, wait for things to unfold. But one really wonders, the likes of TMC, the likes of Uddhav Sena, why is it that they are pushing to stake claim? Because where are the numbers? We're going to get you all of that.